Now it is confirmed that it must be some. So many questions. Is life a battle? Baba says yes, it is a battle. Battle of what? Battle between the ignorance and knowledge, between light and darkness, isn't it? Between duality and unity, between dream and the awake state, in a sense. So, and what the battle is for? The battle is to come to that knowledge. Yes, it is a battle, and if rightly fought, would bring infinite anand, that is bliss. That means, in other words, if one is able to overcome ignorance, and once we are in the knowledge with capital K, then you will be getting anand, which is bliss. Why should it be a battle? Why should life be a battle? Necessarily, means Baba says yes. Otherwise, existence would be a drag. If there is no battle, in other words, if there is no darkness, one would be all, we have done it over and over again, there would be no appreciation for light. So in other words, necessarily, otherwise existence would be a drag. If there is no darkness, one cannot appreciate light. If there is no ignorance, one cannot appreciate knowledge. They can't exist without the other. Both are essential on the opposite poles. In other words, I would interpret it, in other words, this so-called apparent negativity that is going on in life today everywhere is a part and parcel of the whole divine plan to fight it and come out of it and be victorious and be Vijeta. Means if that was not there, then there would have been no Maja in life. That is what Baba said. Maja in the sense, there would be no appreciation of the other side. The whole of this creation, in fact, is because of that. Because in the Parakpar Brahma state, as we call it, the beyond state of God, God is, but consciousness is not. Now if there is no consciousness, what is the fun of God is? In other words, if you are in sound sleep state, you are, but what is the fun of you are if you are not conscious that you are? Simple as that. So then the creation started, and when the creation started, it was totally opposite of what the attributes of God is. In other words, God is infinite, so this became finite. If God is all knowledge, this became all ignorance. If that is consciousness, this became unconsciousness. And then, of course, the evolution process started till such time when you enter the same gate from which you exit. But when you exited, when you came out of that gate, whatever you call it, home point, creation point, there was absolutely rudimentary consciousness, as good as no consciousness. And when you are going back to the same gate, you are going with full consciousness. That means you are coming out as, in a sense, Baba talks about gaseous state, which is absolutely, you can't even imagine consciousness. And when you are going back with the state of I am God. Aham Brahmasmi, Analhat, Soham. So in other words, this whole journey is a journey from unconscious divinity to conscious divinity. Divinity is the given platform. You are going, but now you know consciously that you are divine. In other words, Baba talks about that God realization is consciousness of unconsciousness. In other words, in your unconscious state, you are conscious. And you never go back to the beyond state. Many people mistake that. It starts from the beyond state only, and then you go back in the beyond state with full consciousness of I am God state. So that is the whole journey. And the journey, who is doing it? It is God Himself who is doing it. As gases, as stone, metal, minerals, as whatever you call it, the vegetables and fish, worms and fish and whatever, birds and animals and human beings. And then on the spiritual plane, all the saints and the sadhus and the peers and the valis and all those, ultimately coming back to the seventh state, which is the seventh plane of consciousness of reality, I am God state. So Baba says, otherwise there would be no fun, if at all. So necessarily, they cannot exist without the other. Both are essential on the opposite poles. In other words, what I am emphasizing is that ignorance is essential. That the so-called negative aspect of life is essential. That is the way the blueprint of creation is made, and you cannot do anything about it. You mean there is no you, in fact it is all God playing the different role.